Let's do like a team.
Volume of prisms and cylinders, section 10.6. So volume, prisms, and cylinders, section 10.6 today. Last couple sections we've done surface area. Now we're getting into volume. Remember, surface area is the area around the outside. Volume is what you can fill it up on the inside with. So how much you can fill it up with. If you look around the room, yeah, all the formulas that start with a V, those are the volume formulas. Okay, so they're the second column over there. Over there, they're the ones on the V. Okay, so volume of prisms here. To find the volume of the prism. Now, technically here they give you like 3 different formulas. Really, it's all the same thing. To find the volume of a prism, you find the area of the base and take it times the height. That is true for all prisms. Okay, so it's always going to be the area of the base times the height. Now again, they give you a rectangular prism and they say the length times the width times the height. Well again, you're finding the area of the base times the height. Area of the base times the height. The volume of a cube says sides cubed. Well, why is it side cubed? Because it's the area of the base times the height. Okay, so every time, volume of prism, area of the base times the height. And then we have a cylinder. Guess what? It's the area of the base times the height. So a cylinder here, bases are circles. So it's pi r squared times the height. That's where this comes from. Alright. Do these formulas look a lot easier than surface area formulas? Yeah, they should. A little bit less work. So number 1 here. Volume of prisms. It says find the volume of each prism. To find the volume of the prism, you take the area of the what? Area of the base times the height. Well, how would I find the area of the base here? So 16 times 4, and then I take that times the height. What's the height? 9.
576.
So my volume is, what did you say, Nick?
576.
576
Centimeters cubed.
centimeters cubed. Why is it cubed? Because it's volume. Area is squared. Volume is cubed. That is key. Number 2. Where's my base at number 2 now? My base is the what shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. How do you find the area of a triangle?
Half the base.
So it's what? It's half the base times the height, right?
Yeah.
So it's 1/2 times 3 times 5. And then take that times, what's my height going to be then? 8. So my volume here comes out to be then how many, or what's it going to be, Troy? 60 inches cubed. Nice job.
I was on my calculator.
Okay.
I wrote it down.
Okay.
And I put it in my pocket.
Smooth move. Volume of cylinders. Same idea here. Volume of cylinders. Okay. Anytime we're going to find volume, it's the area of the what? Area of the base times the height. Now, because it's a cylinder, how do you find the area of the circle? Area of the circle is?
Radius squared times height.
Pi r squared times the height. Well, what's my radius here?
So it'd be like
What's my radius, Martina?
8, and then
8 squared times
64.
10?
Yeah, times 10. And then like 645 millimeters cubed.
640 pi millimeters cubed. Nice job. That's exactly what it is. Nah, I wish that was pi right now. Just let us pi. 4. Same thing on 4 here. I'm going to find the volume. Volume is the area of the base times the height. To find the area of the base, it's pi r squared times the height. Well, what's my radius here, Ryan? So it's pi 3 squared times what's the height? 5. Oh. Oh, what happened to my edit mode? Oh well. So what was there then, Ryan? So it's pi 3 squared times 5, right? So what's my volume come out to be, bud? Huh? 45 pi feet cubed. Nice job. Okay, so these are prisms again. Take a couple seconds, try these two on your own. Try these prisms. All right, so number 5 here. It says find the volume of the prism here. Volume of the prism, again, is the area of the base times the height. What's the area of the base here, Gabe? What's the area of that base going to be? 8 times what's the height then?
5.
And you get the volume of what? Centimeters cubed. Nice job. 6. I need to find the volume here. What's the area of the base come out to be, Noah? Was it? And then what's my height then? So 4.5 times 3, what's my volume come out to be? Yards what? Yards cubed, right? Good work. Take a couple seconds, try number 7 and 8 now. Find the volume of both. So number 7 here. I need to find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is the area of the base times the height. To find the base, I take pi r squared times the height. What does the volume here come out to be, Austin? Gentlemen, shh. Wait. Number 7, bud. 28 pi meters cubed. Nice job. And then I have number 8. A cylinder with a diameter of 20 inches and a height of 2 inches. To find the volume again, find the area of the base times the height. So volume is pi r squared times the height. What's the key here? They give me diameter. I want the what? Radius. If the diameter is 20, what's my radius, Tina?
10.
So what's my answer here, Tina?
200 pi inches cubed.
200 pi inches cubed. Nice job. Good work here. Last but not least, we're going to talk about what happens to the dimensions, or what happens to the volume if your dimensions change. Who remembers area? For example, if I double everything, really my area gets times what? 4, because it's always going to be squared. Area means squared. So volume here, where do you suppose it's going to be? Yeah, it's going to be cubed here. So, for example, if let's say the volume or everything is multiplied by 1/3, if my original volume is 216, my new volume now is 8. Why is that? Because I take 1/3 to the 3rd power. Let's say I struggle with that. Well, again, as always, I could always just simplify everything down and then find the new one. Okay, there's just that shortcut in there.
You can do that.
Yes.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay. So again, if you struggle with, actually using the shortcut down here, you could just simplify them down or actually do the dimensions and work it out that way. So, on number 9, as it comes up here slowly. Patiently waiting. So number 9 here. It says the dimensions are multiplied by 2. I want you to find 2 things here. I want you to find the original volume and the new volume. So take a couple seconds on numbers 9 and 10. Find the original volume and the new volume for both. So number 9. First I need to do is find the original volume. What's the original volume here come out to be, Ryan? Okay. Now, shortcut says if I multiply everything by 2, my volume is really times 2 to the what? Well, what's 2 to the 3rd? So if I take 70 times 8, what's my new volume come out to be? 560 inches cubed. Let's say I struggle with that. What could I do? If I struggle with this part of it, I could just double everything and then find the new volume, and I'd still get 560 inches cubed. Number 10. What is my original volume for number 10, Frost? 128 pi millimeters cubed. Now, if I'm taking it times 1/4, really I'm taking it times 1/4 to the 3rd power, which is 1/64. So what's my new volume come out to be here, Trevor? 2 pi millimeters cubed. And again, if you struggle with that, I could change my height to 2, change my radius to 1, and find it out from there, and I'd still get 2 pi millimeters cubed. All right? Here's your assignment.